Desert plants, if you take, they are also having exclusively very good adaptive situations. See, for example, if you take desert plants, they have thick cuticle and on leaf surfaces. So cuticle, you know, what is the role of cuticle? That prevents the water release, water loss, and sunken stomata. So stomata, you know, this is responsible for the hole which is responsible for transpiration. So due to sunken, small transpiration, so due to small sized stomata, transpiration levels will be decreased. Because of that, loss of water will be minimized. And crustacean acid metabolism photosynthetic pathway, this also enables their stomata to close. That is, in desert plants, they follow this. So in these plants, if you take, they follow this crustacean acid metabolism. Because of that, their stomata will be closed during the daytime, when that is when the temperature and sunlight is more. So during daytime, the stomata will be closed so that water loss will be controlled. And desert plants like Opuntia have no leaves.